talk about titles, specifically how they work through the auction. So the vehicle will normally be delivered from the auction first before the dealer actually receives title. Now, in some cases, the dealer doesn't receive the title from the auction. But here's where it's important, and obviously that's a big problem. Here's where it's important, though. The dealer needs to make sure the dealer has the title from the auction before putting the car for sale on the lot. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen a dealer get a car from auction, refurbish it, clean it up, make sure all of the parts are in there, the car's working properly, the oil change is done, tune-up, maintenance, whatever. Dealer puts the car for sale, 3 days later has an offer and a customer buys it while the dealer still has not received the title from the auction, and then doesn't, because the title is sent from the selling dealer and it doesn't always get through. Sometimes the car gets through before the title does. It is a mess, an absolute, total, utter, 100% extreme, humongous mess when a dealer sells a vehicle without title. It's also a violation of Georgia law. So, the moral here, or the lesson here, is to make sure that the dealer has the title from the auction before listing the vehicle for sale. If the dealer doesn't get the title from the auction, or a certain time has passed, there are certain guarantees. Every auction has a different policy, but most are governed by the Auction Arbitration Association, or the acronym. It's available on the auction's websites what their policies are. But it may be that the dealer has to initiate a repurchase from the auction or go through the title arbitration policy offered by the auction to either get the car, send the car back, or get the title if it hasn't happened. This becomes a huge issue if the dealer's already sold the vehicle, because more times than not, the customer then comes back to the dealer with the simple question, where's my title? The customer is a bona fide purchaser for value, meaning the customer is an innocent purchaser that's not a participant in the dealer's transaction at the auction, and the customer cannot then be held hostage by the dealer selling the car without a title. It's a dealer problem. It's a dealer problem. So all dealers should make sure that they have the titles from the auction before they put a car on their lot for sale.